Three sure ways to protect your Facebook account from hackers. For many of us, Facebook is a part of our everyday life. We hold series of conversations there. We get latest news from there. We get latest trends. And because it's not a digital world, 80% of us actually do our business there. That is where we get our clients, our potential customers. That is where we get to show the world what we are into. So now imagine if someone hacks your Facebook account, how humiliating it will be. And not just that, it will damage your reputations, because you see, most of these hackers, they don't just hack your account and just sell it or try to damage your reputation, especially if you are such that have audience and you have a lot of engagement on your content. Also, they try to extort money or anything from your followers, from your audience. For some of us that holds meaningful conversation on Facebook, it exposes your private information that you wouldn't want the world to hear. So this is why you need to secure your Facebook account. Facebook app right now, as it stands, is not for little children. Yes, gone are the days whereby people thought that Facebook was for unserious people and immature children. You get. Now these days, even matured men, much more matured men, uses the platform Facebook, and that is where people get their potential clients from for businesses. So if you have a Facebook account, it is not just something you should throw away like that, especially when you've got engagement, you've got followers, and you get customers from there. Take this serious. How can you stop them? Now, the first one is avoid clicking on links. Yes, avoid clicking on links. I'm going to actually share this into two. There are two more important parts in this area. The first one is, if you've noticed, most of the times, or maybe on your pages, your Facebook, your business page, or maybe on your main profile, you see some people coming to tell you that you've missed some violation in Facebook and blah blah blah. Do we want to cut off something like that? Yes, you see so that, and they tell you, okay, click on this to actually do this to stop your account from being banned from Facebook. Now, if you see such message, please avoid it, ignore it. It is not from Facebook, it is from these hackers. Yes, that is the latest trend now. They send you because they feel like, oh, you're scared that Facebook is going to ban your account, so you have to do some certain things. Oh, what did I do? So because of this fear in people, they actually send out those messages. The moment you click to it, your account is gone. Yes, the moment you click to it, your account is gone. That is why you should avoid. So whenever you see source message, please avoid it, ignore it. Do not click on any link. Do not click on any email. Do not do whatever they're asking you to do. It is from hackers. All right. And the second part in this is, most of you just go around, you don't know, you just click any link you see, WhatsApp link, business link, you just click any link. This is going to help the hackers hack your account very easily. Yes, because you are going to fall into a big pit that you might not be able to come out from. That is to say, you are going to fall into one of their traps these days, into a hacker's trap, and then you may not be able to recover that account. And God forbid, if that account is actually an account that you gain a lot of engagement, you have a lot of followers, and it's your business account. Avoid clicking on too much links, because once you click on this link, just like I explained in the first one, your account is gone. They get every information on your account. So don't click on links, don't click on emails. Yes, don't click on links and don't click on emails. Now, the second one we're going to be talking about is, make sure you have a strong password. Secure a strong password. Some of your passwords are very light. Even sometimes when you are putting, sometimes Facebook even helps when you are putting your password, they tell you, this password, create a stronger password for this. Some of you just use, I know you do not want to forget about the password. So what you do when you are setting your password, make sure that maybe you have a diary in your phone, or you have a diary in what, maybe you can write it down. Do you understand? You can write it down and just create the password. The password has to be strong. What we are saying is because all these hackers, if your password is not strong enough, it is very, very, very easy for them to hack to guess the password and hack it. But if it's strong, it is going to be very hard. And another thing, make sure that your password is just for Facebook. Some of you make this mistake. Your Gmail password, your Facebook password, WhatsApp, in case you want to create WhatsApp, or anything, your TikTok, your Instagram, all of them are the same password. So if this person can be able to break through, that means he has cutting the other account. You do that so that you don't forget it. You can actually write it down in a place you won't forget. All right, or save it to your Gmail. Okay. Then another thing is, after you've done this, do not make a mistake of sharing your password to another person, no matter how much you trust them. Because let's say, for instance, my sister came and I shared my password with her on Facebook, and her account gets hacked. They can easily collect that password. That information will be linked and they will use it. So stop sharing your passwords. To use login alerts to detect suspicious logins. Yes, there's something like that in Facebook. Let me show you. So click to your settings. Okay, once you open your Facebook like this, by your right, you'll see a line 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, for people that are using Facebook Live, you're using the normal Facebook. Just look by your right, the last click there. You click on it, you scroll down, you see settings. Click on it, you see it will open to settings and privacy. You click on it. Then you see security and login. You click on it. Then you see get alerts about unrecognized logins. That is where you are going to click. You choose how you want to receive the information. Like me, I use SMS. If you're using SMS, make sure that that number you are putting is active. Is not, don't go and put a number that you don't know anything about. Is active. Or you can use email. So with this, whenever Facebook suspects a login alert that is actually not from you, they will send you an SMS or they'll send you an email. Okay, if this we actually suspected login details or from somewhere near, is this you? If it's not you, do this. They will now tell you what to do, straight to your SMS or straight to your email. Third one is enable two-factor authentication. This gives you an extra level of security by requesting a security code whenever you log in, all right, with maybe another phone or another account or another device. So if you are logging, let's take for instance now, I am with my phone here. Okay, this is the phone I used to do the two-factor authentication. Then let's say my phone is done. I actually want to do something and I'm using a friend's phone to log in. Before I log in, they will ask me to put that code, and they are sending that code to my number, to the phone in my number. Do you understand? So before I have to log in, I have to confirm that code. If I cannot be able to present that code, that means Facebook will just oh, this is not the person, it is not the owner's, this is not the owner of the account that is actually operating. So without that, you cannot be able to access that account. Now, how do you go about this? Okay, click that last and I actually told you about. Go to settings and privacy, then click on settings, click on security and login, click on use two-factor authentication. Yeah. Then click on use text message and follow the instructions that I'm going to give to you. That is for text message. If you want SMS, the thing is you can decide. If you don't want to use SMS, you can actually decide to use the authentication app. Yeah, this is how the authentication app works. You go to Google and you download it and you open it. So what happens that whenever you want to log in to your account through another device entirely, they will send the authentication code to that authentication app. Or once you just open it, you see the code. Then pick the code and you can log in. I hope you have been able to learn from this video how you can actually secure your Facebook account, how you can prevent hackers from hacking your Facebook account. Yes, if you've not done any of this, make sure you do them after watching this video. It's going to help you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, drop your comment and share. There are people out there that want to have this information you just have, but they don't know where to get it from. So share it so that they can actually learn.